Welcome back to Ask Mrs. Immigrant. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my page. Thanks, guys! Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you how our very first apartment looks like when we arrived here in Canada. So this is the typical apartment with 2 bedroom size. So hope you'll enjoy and have some insight on how the apartment looks like here in Canada. So yeah, enjoy! Ito yung main door. Tapos sa main door, katabi niya, merong parang closet. Closet siya, lagayan ng yan, pinaglagyan naman ng mga sapatos saka ng mga jackets. Tapos ito yung hallway. Pagpasok mo ng pinto, hallway siya. Ayan, makikita mo yung ibang kulay ng flooring. That will be the dining area. Tapos ito yung living area. Tapos ito yung kitchen. Sa loob ng kitchen, may sarili siyang ref at saka stove. Galing na yan sa apartment. Tapos, ayan. Ewan ko kung ganito din, magiging ganito din yung bahay nyo. Isa lang yung toilet. Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan yung toilet. Tapos, ito yung second room. Tapos, walk-in closet. Lahat ng room may walk-in closet. Yan. Tapos yung master bedroom, ito. Yan. Yan yung master bedroom. Medyo magulo pa kasi kalilipat lang namin.